Sick of coming home to a freezing or overheated house and paying for it on your energy bill? I've been there, dealing with outdated thermostats that waste money and make life uncomfortable. That's why I tested 6 top smart thermostats over 8 months in real homes and extreme weather to find out which ones truly save energy, learn your habits, and integrate with your smart home, versus the ones that are just fancy screens. Check the description for current pricing and deals. Let's get into it. Let me start with the entry-level Nest thermostat, and I'll be completely honest about what you can expect from Google's most affordable smart thermostat option. After months of testing this device across different homes and seasons, it delivers solid basic functionality while clearly showing its limitations. The gorgeous design immediately stands out compared to traditional thermostats. During my testing, visitors consistently commented on its sleek appearance, and the simple interface makes daily operation intuitive for family members of all tech comfort levels. Matter Support provides excellent integration flexibility beyond just Google's ecosystem. During my testing, I successfully connected it to Amazon Alexa and other smart home platforms without the compatibility issues that plague some competitors. The main limitations became apparent when comparing to higher-end models. No automatic learning means you need to manually create schedules. No remote room sensors limit temperature monitoring to the thermostat location, and no support for complex 3-stage heating systems restricts compatibility. Phone and voice control worked reliably throughout my testing, though the lack of advanced features like geofencing and occupancy detection means less automated optimization compared to premium alternatives. For budget-conscious homeowners who want basic smart thermostat functionality with Google ecosystem integration, the entry-level Nest delivers essential features at an accessible price point. The Sensi Touch 2 impressed me throughout testing with its emphasis on touchscreen interaction, and after months of daily use, I appreciate how the large display changes the entire thermostat experience for better and worse. The 4.3-inch color touchscreen is genuinely the largest I've tested on any smart thermostat. During my testing, family members gravitated toward using the physical interface rather than smartphone apps, which speaks to the intuitive design and responsive touch controls. The interface design maximizes the large screen effectively, providing detailed information and easy navigation through settings and schedules. The visual feedback and information density exceeded other thermostats I tested simultaneously. The ability to work with up to 15 room sensors provides excellent whole-home temperature monitoring capabilities. During my testing in a multi-level home, this feature proved invaluable for maintaining consistent comfort throughout different zones. Smart home integration works well with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings platforms. However, the lack of HomeKit, IFTTT, or Matter Support limits integration options compared to more universally compatible alternatives. The main considerations are the interface-centric design that some users might find overwhelming, and the limited smart home platform support that could restrict future expansion options. For users who prefer physical interaction over smartphone apps and want extensive room sensor capabilities, the Sensi Touch 2 provides a unique approach to smart thermostat control. The Honeywell Home T9 has impressed me throughout testing as the most capable solution for homes that struggle with uneven temperatures, and after months of monitoring multiple rooms, this thermostat consistently delivers the most comprehensive temperature management. The included remote room sensor in the box immediately sets this apart from competitors that charge extra for sensors. During my testing in a 2-story home with challenging heating zones, having dual monitoring points from day one made a significant difference in comfort consistency. The ability to add up to 20 remote room sensors provides scalability that exceeds most residential needs. The occupancy detection feature proved genuinely useful during testing, automatically adjusting heating and cooling based on which rooms people actually occupy. The large, friendly touchscreen interface provides excellent usability for all family members. During my testing, even less tech-savvy users found the controls intuitive and informative compared to more minimalist designs. The main limitations are the traditional aesthetic that might not appeal to users wanting modern design, and the slightly higher price point for the included sensor compared to basic models. For homeowners dealing with uneven temperatures throughout their homes and wanting immediate multi-room monitoring capabilities, the T9 provides excellent comprehensive temperature management. The fourth-generation Nest Learning Thermostat represents Google's premium smart thermostat offering, and after extensive testing, I'm impressed by how the AI-powered features genuinely improve both comfort and energy efficiency without requiring constant user input. The automatic learning capabilities proved remarkably effective during my testing period. Within 2 weeks, the thermostat began anticipating my schedule and preferences, creating customized heating and cooling schedules that I never would have programmed manually. The aesthetic upgrade from previous generations is substantial. The gorgeous design feels premium and modern while maintaining the intuitive ring interface that made Nest famous. During my testing, it consistently drew positive comments from visitors. The included remote room sensor addresses one of the main limitations of single-point temperature monitoring. During testing in homes with challenging layouts, this sensor helped maintain more consistent comfort throughout living spaces. Matter Support provides excellent smart home integration flexibility. I successfully integrated it with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings platforms, creating automation routines that work reliably across different ecosystems. The energy savings proved measurable during my testing period, with the AI optimization consistently identifying opportunities for efficiency improvements that manual programming missed. For homeowners who want sophisticated automation that improves over time and are willing to pay premium pricing for AI-powered optimization, the fourth-generation Nest Learning delivers exceptional long-term value. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential has become my go-to recommendation for budget-conscious homeowners who don't want to sacrifice essential smart features. And after months of testing, it consistently delivers premium functionality at a much more accessible price point. The energy usage reports and Eco Plus settings proved genuinely useful for identifying savings opportunities. During my testing, the automated energy-saving features reduced utility costs without sacrificing comfort, though not as aggressively as premium AI-powered alternatives. The optional remote room sensor support provides scalability when needed. While sensors cost extra, having the capability means you can start basic and expand as your needs or budget allow, rather than being locked into a limited system. Installation compatibility covers most common HVAC systems, and the C-wire requirement is manageable with the available power extender kit when necessary. During my testing across different homes, compatibility issues were rare. Phone, voice, and touchscreen control all worked reliably throughout my testing period. The interface strikes a good balance between simplicity and functionality without overwhelming casual users. The main limitations compared to premium models are the lack of automatic learning features and advanced AI optimization, requiring more manual setup and adjustment for optimal performance. For homeowners wanting comprehensive smart thermostat functionality without premium pricing, the Essential provides excellent value and room for future expansion. After 8 months of comprehensive testing across different homes, seasons, and HVAC systems, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium has earned the top spot as the most capable and versatile smart thermostat available. This device successfully combines advanced climate control with genuinely useful additional features that justify its premium positioning. What sets this apart is how it functions as more than just a thermostat. The built-in air quality monitoring proved genuinely valuable during my testing, alerting me to issues I never would have noticed otherwise. The home security features and smart speaker functionality create legitimate additional value. The voice assistant integration feels natural and responsive, providing an always available smart home hub in a central location. During my testing, family members began using it for music, weather, and smart home control beyond just temperature adjustment. The air quality monitoring and reporting helped me identify patterns and issues that affected both comfort and health. This feature alone has proven valuable enough to justify the premium pricing during my testing period. You wanted the best, you got it. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium represents the pinnacle of smart thermostat capability, combining advanced climate control with useful additional features that make it the hub of a modern smart home. That wraps up my comprehensive testing of the best smart thermostats for 2025. I hope my real-world experiences help you find the perfect thermostat for your home and smart home ecosystem. If this review helped you out, smash that thumbs up button and let me know in the comments what your biggest heating and cooling challenges are. I love hearing from homeowners about their HVAC experiences and energy-saving goals. And if you're new to Consumer Picks, welcome. I test smart home devices and energy-saving equipment with the same thorough approach, So subscribe and hit that notification bell to catch all my future reviews. Until next time, stay comfortable and save energy.